kindergarten looks fun. Let's check it out. Hygiene inspection is needed after entering the kindergarten.
Kids, please queue in line to wash hands before lunch. No pushing is allowed. Help them stay in line. It's time for lunch. Please pick up foods by yourself. Remember to clean up the table after having lunch. Put the tableware into the basket first. Waste sorting starts with me. Be sure to throw waste in the corresponding waste bins. Finally, clean up stains on the table. Kids, remember to go to the bathroom before taking a nap.
I am a girl. Which bathroom should I use? I am a boy. Which bathroom should I use? I am a girl. Which bathroom should I use? I am a boy. Which bathroom should... I am a boy. Which bathroom should I use?
Time to take a nap. Please go to your own bed, kids.
My bed is pink. My bed is blue. My bed is yellow.
Remember to sleep with a blanket. Please draw the curtain as well.
Ouch! My knees hurt
Oh
badly.
no! Momo fell down. Let's help her. First, sterilize the wound with alcohol. Then put on a Band-Aid. Kids, do not jump off the bed. Now let's take music class.
Hello, Miss Mimi.
Dear, today we are going to make beautiful music out of bottles.
Each bottle holds different amounts of water, and the sound of knocking on each bottle is different. Please give it a try. Now let's color the water. Hang the bottle on the rope of the same color. Tap here and listen to the sound of these bottles. Let's play together.